Привіт-привіт! Slava Ukraini! I'm sure you heard this expression many times recently, but what does it mean and how to pronounce it correctly in Ukrainian language? In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you the most popular Ukrainian patriotic mottos. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments below. What is your favorite Ukrainian motto? So guys, Slava Ukraini means glory to Ukraine. Slava Ukraini. When somebody says to you Slava Ukraini, you need to reply Героям Слава. Героям Слава. Героям Слава means glory to heroes. This patriotic motto was created at the beginning of the 20th century by Ukrainian army, and it became more and more popular during the World War II by Ukrainian nationalistic movements and also Stepan Bandera. So Russians are afraid of it a lot when they hear it. And it became more and more popular in Ukraine at the present times during the Maidan. So, Slava Ukraini, glory to Ukraine, Героям Слава, glory to heroes. The next one is Slava Natsi. Slava Natsi means glory to nation. Let's repeat one more time. Slava Natsi. So when somebody says to you in Ukrainian Slava Natsi, you have to reply Смерть ворогам. Смерть ворогам. Смерть ворогам. It means death to enemies. Slava Natsi. Смерть ворогам. Okay. The next one is Ukraina Ponad Use. Україна Понад Усе. Україна Понад Усе. Literally it means Ukraine over all. Or we can say Ukraine first to all. So for us, Ukraine should be on the first place. Our country, our language, our culture. I think it is very important right now for all Ukrainians to say Україна Понад Усе. The next one is Putin Huylo. Putin Huylo. Putin Huylo. Putin Huylo means Putin is a dick, literally. Or we just say fuck you Putin. Putin Huylo. Also a very popular one, and it was created during the times of Maidan in 2014. Putin Huylo. By the way, it was founded by the Ukrainian football team. And also I wanted to teach you the pronunciation, the last one that is very popular right now, and we pronounce it Русский корабль иди нахуй. Русский корабль иди нахуй. Oh my god, I'm swearing. But I'm sure you heard this phrase many times, and you know the story of it. So Русский корабль, I pronounce it a little bit in a Russian manner because it said the Ukrainian military on the Zmyiny Island to the Russian warship, so he said it in Russian, they could understand it, so I pronounce it in the Russian way. Русский корабль иди нахуй. Русский корабль иди нахуй. It means Russian warship, go fuck yourself. На всякий случай. Русский военный корабль иди нахуй. So guys, I taught you the most popular Ukrainian mottos, and when we hear them from you, we feel very happy about that, and we feel your support a lot, that you understand us and we are on the same page of supporting Ukraine. So recently I have launched my project Buy a T-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life, and on my online charity store you can buy a T-shirt or hoodie with this Ukrainian mottos that I taught you today, and 100 profit from the store will be sent to women, kids, old and disabled people in the occupied region of Ukraine, specifically Kherson, because I am from the Kherson region, and we have already collected more than $3,000. Thank you so much. Дуже дякую. And every day I send money to two volunteering organizations in Kherson. And the heads of this organization are my friends, so you can trust me. If you want to learn Ukrainian language, please check out my website speakia.com. There you will find very useful learning materials like textbooks, flashcards, courses. I have a lot of free learning materials for you. Please check it out. And if you want to learn more and more Ukrainian language, then subscribe to my Instagram account, Speak Ukrainian Language. Also, you can support me on Patreon, or you can just donate any sum of money on my PayPal. All the information, all the links you can find in the description to this video. Slava Ukraini! See you soon. Па-па!